The importance of using a kitchen exhaust fan when cooking on a gas stove. Did you know that cooking on a gas stove can release harmful pollutants and toxins into the air? These pollutants can include carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, and formaldehyde, which can have negative effects on your health. That's why researchers strongly recommend using a kitchen exhaust fan while cooking on a gas stove. The exhaust fan helps to remove these pollutants from the air, improving the air quality in your home. Not only does using a kitchen exhaust fan benefit your health, but it also helps to reduce the risk of indoor air pollution. So next time you cook on a gas stove, remember to turn on the kitchen exhaust fan to protect yourself and your loved ones. I am Bill Vargas, and I am an independent Medicare agent, which means I work for you, not the insurance companies. Go to MedicareSelfenroll.com, enter your zip code, your doctor's name, and prescriptions to find the right Medicare plan for you in your area. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Insured Meds on YouTube, for more tips on how to improve your air quality in the home and the quality of your life. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.